Alright, YouTube. Today we have the unboxing of the Bob and Brad T2 massage gun. Now I know this is a break from what we usually do or what we usually have on the channel, but I think it's necessary because we're going to give it a good, honest review. Right now we're just going to do the unboxing and see what all it comes with. Alright, those of you who do not know who Bob and Brad are, they do a lot of YouTube videos on how to get your body back in motion. A lot of back pain or leg pain or the type of injuries and stuff like that. They help you shake it back. So this nice little case is what holds, and I say it has a nice grip and everything. Everything seems to be on par with the quality. Okay, so looks like everything has good quality in it. You get your instructions, which I'm not going to sit here and bore you with all the instructions. Everybody needs to do that on their own. Comes with the USB cord that you need to charge it, because this is rechargeable. And I like this case. You know, maybe I could be a mobile chiropractor. Hey, you hurting? Call me. Hit me on the app. We'll set it up. You go ahead and pay your fee, and I come and break down the muscle and everything that's hurting and get you going, starting at a good rate. Nah, I don't know about that. But these are all your different attachments. Like I said, it's a nice quality of everything. And when you pick it up, you sure do understand that this is a good quality build. That's your on and off button. Get your readouts right here. And yeah, I think this is going to work some wonders on these overworked arms, legs, and muscles and whatever. Of course, it's got to be charged up, but yeah, everything seems to be good quality. Got all the different attachments to get in there. They seem to be easy in and out attachments for the various stages of how you want to do. This is the soft one here, and everything just pops in there, and good to go. So depending on where you get it from, how much you pay, all like that, but it's in around $100. You can go to the Bob and Brad store on Amazon. That's how I got my $25 off. So depending on where you get it from, in and around $100. Alright, that's going to be it for the Bob and Brad T2 massager, and we'll come back with another review and explain how it does. Alright.